The Prime Minister alongside the Civil Aviation Minister present with the Prime Minister will be there at the crash site assessing the situation. Right now 265 people have been confirmed dead. Let me once again try to connect with my colleague Amit Bhardwaj, who's joining us from the crash site this morning. Amit, the Prime Minister's cavalcade pulling in a short while from... Okay, we don't have Amit. We're going to try and cut across to Amit, getting us the latest from the crash site there. But right now, there is also investigative officers, forensic teams who are picking up clues. The black box is something that will be crucial where investigative agencies are concerned. The Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau has sent a team of 35 individuals that have been spread out across 600 to 900 meters, and that's been the diameter of the debris that was scattered where the plane was concerned. Here heart-rending scenes continue to come in, but let's cut across back to the crash site. The Prime Minister alongside the Civil Aviation Minister assessing the ground situation of the crash site. Amit Bhardwaj back with us. Over to you, Amit.
Preeti, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu and the state leadership of Gujarat, they were at the crash site. He visited the site of debris. He, moved around the entire place where the AI-171 had crashed, and after that, his carcade has left from here, which means that he could be possibly heading towards the civil hospital where the families of those who lost their loved ones and those who were injured in this plane crash yesterday are kept. The mortal remains are kept in that hospital, as well as those who were injured. They are also kept. The officials who were on the ground, they are also leaving now. So what we are given to understand is that PM Modi was given a proper brief by the authorities, by Civil Aviation Minister as well. The CEO of Air India was also on the ground, and he must have also made a brief right now. Those are the officials who were part of the delegation which went inside the PM while PM Modi was taking stock of the situation, visiting the site where the AI-171 debris is kept, Preeti. And from here, his carcade has moved, so he could be possibly heading towards the civil hospital itself. And after that, he could also take a quick meeting at the state guest house, which has become the de facto headquarter of all the agencies, the nodal point where all these meetings are happening since yesterday about the crash, be it the inputs that are coming from the DGCA, the ATC, the other authorities, the inputs that are coming from Air India. All of that is being discussed at this guest house as well. So there's a possibility that Prime Minister Modi could be going to that guest house as well to take a small and quick meeting based on the inputs that has been given to him.